Today we are going to discuss the question set number 21. The first question says, what is the highest mark obtained in the first term mathematics subject? So we have to select max from mark from exam marks db dot student exam mark record. After that we have to inner join the exam term also on student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term id. After that we have to inner join the subject table also on. After that we have to see its student exam mark record dot subject id is equals to subject id. Okay, after that we can give the condition here. Subject name is mathematics. Subject name is mathematics. And the term is first term. You can see the maximum mark of the mathematics in the first term is 90. Okay. We'll see the second question. What is the highest mark obtained in the second term science subject? What is the highest marks? We use the same query. Select maximum mark from exam marks db dot student exam mark record. After that inner join the exam term on student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term id. Here we inner join the subject table also. Student exam mark record dot subject id is equals to subject id. The subject name is science and the term name is second term. The highest mark of the second term science is 95. The third question says, what is the highest mark obtained by the students for all the subjects in the second term? What is the highest mark obtained by the students for all the subjects in the second term? Okay. The same query. Select maximum mark from exam mark db dot student exam mark record. How they have to join the exam term table. Student exam mark record dot exam term ID is equals to exam term ID. Uh, Here we don't want the subject table. After that, we have to give the we have to see uh, is subject name is equal to science and term name is second term. Uh, Subject, we don't want this one. You can see here the maximum mark is 98.5 for second term. For second term, the fourth question says which subject got the highest marks in the second term. First, we have to see the what is the highest mark of the second term. This is the highest mark. Now, here we have to select subject name. Subject name from exam marks db dot subject. After that, we have to inner join student exam mark record on. After that, we have to see and subject dot subject id is equals to exam marks record dot subject id. uh, After that, we have to give the condition where mark mark, we have to give the subcode here, copy it and paste here. After executing, you can see the subject name is Sinhala language and literature. We'll see is it correct. uh, 98.5, no? 98.5, 98.5. Second term is second term. Subject is uh, 3. 3 means Sinhala language and literature. We have sent. Okay. The sixth question. Find the details of the student who got the highest marks in mathematics in the first term examination and the class in which he is studying. Find the details of the student who got the highest marks in mathematics in the first term examination and the class in which he is studying. So we have first we will see the highest marks in the mathematics in first term. Okay. Uh, select max mark from exam marks db dot student exam mark report will inner join uh, subject table on student exam mark record dot to the subject id is equals to subject dot subject id. After that we have to inner join the term also. Exam term on student exam mark record dot exam id is equals to exam dot exam dot term id. After that we have to give the condition. Yeah, subject name is equals to mathematics and exam term name is equals to first term. Here you can see the maximum mark of the first term mathematics subject. Uh, After that we have to find the details of students who got the highest marks in mathematics subject in first term. Uh, we have to see the select student dot all details and class dot class name from student table inner join class table on. We have to see here student table dot uh, class id is equals to class dot class id, where mark have to mark in here. We have to join student exam mark record on student dot student index number is equals to student exam mark record dot student index number. After executing in here unknown column clusters class name in field list. Okay, we can join the class table also. Join class on student dot class id is equals to class dot class id. After that, you can see the result set here. Find the details of student who got the highest marks in the mathematics in the first term examination at the class in which he is studying. So this is the result set. Amanda Moses. And we see our his subject mark also. Okay, you can see the mark also. The highest mark is 90. 90 is belongs to Amanda Moses. Okay. This question set number 21. We have fulfilled the requirements. So we'll meet from the other video.